it's Ronnie from Third Story Threads. So tonight I'm really excited to show you this craft kit that I just got in by Pinwheel Crafts. It's the Panda Pillow Kit. So as I saw this on TikTok Shop, I thought this would be a perfect craft kit for the kids to, do as we're working on different things, if we're cutting fabric, doing our own quilts, etc. And so wanted to show you guys what's inside. So we have our polyfill to fill the actual pillowcase. We have the pillowcase itself. And here on the instructions, so something I like about this, number one, it says if you're giving to kids, adult supervision recommended. And if you're an adult just trying to learn how to hand stitch, it teaches you how to do a ladder stitch, which is a super useful stitch. And so this can help get you into that realm if you haven't done it before. We have about 15 different felt pieces, so you can have different variations. And you also have your needle and thread in there, and then you have the fabric glue to glue it on. So I'm gonna mess around with it and show you guys some of that. All right, so I've been messing around with these different felt pieces, and I just wanted to show you guys some of the variations. So here's this one with some heart cheeks, eyelashes is more like a little bit cute. And then I was just playing around to see what else I could come up with. So the actual box shows just the standard panda that you could go with, but with some of the extra pieces you can make it fun. So here's a little fun that I was having with it. So throw some cheeks on there, and then you could take this and turn it into a soul patch, maybe have it eating a stick of bamboo. I was even messing around and trying to see if I could turn this into like, a handlebar stash, just something fun. So if you have multiple kids, then this has enough variation for all of them. They could each make their own. And at the time of this video on the TikTok Shop, there was a sale going on this one. So perfect time to grab it. All right, here it is, the finished product, the Panda. So what I did was I went ahead and sewed it myself, and then I had my daughter come over and decorate it for me. So still a lot of extra felt pieces in case she changed her mind. And the fun thing is there's more glue, and the eyelashes are stick-on, so you could do those at any time. Something else I liked, the thread, there's so much thread. So I actually had a hiccup off video and broke my thread kind of in the middle of the thing, and I was still able to finish the whole thing, and I still have thread left over. So this is a fun project. I think if you have multiple kids, definitely order multiple kits, because I know my son is now asking me for one, so I'm sure I'll be buying another. But great product, Pinwheel Crafts. Check the link below and pick it up, especially while it's on sale. Thanks.